Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So, if I'm a reactive homeowner, how do the costs compare to replacing my PolyB versus just reacting when an issue arises or leaks occur?
Wow, you can definitely tell that second cup of coffee hit because these questions are getting harder and harder now. So, good question. So, a lot of customers are thinking the same thing. They're going, do I just keep on paying an emergency plumber to come out and fix my leaks, or do I hit this big ticket item and get this off my bucket list right now? So how is it going to compare? I guess it all depends, like where you get the leak, how big the leak is, what kind of leak it is. Most of the time with poly piping, you're getting pinhole leaks. You don't get full-on blowouts. But if your pipe leaks and it's a pinhole and you're at work for 8 hours, does it flood your whole main floor? What if your insurance company doesn't cover it? Even if they do, are you displaced out of your home for a month while the restoration company comes in and fixes it? Most leaks can be fixed for $500 approximately, depends on the time of day, what region you're in, what materials are used to fix it. And that's just fixing the piping. Plus, if it's wrecked drywall, you'll have to pay another $500. So let's say the average cost is $1,000 to replace each leak between drywall and piping. But the average domestic piping system is $20,000 to replace. So, it really matters. Do you want to risk getting 20 leaks before you hit that? And then you still have to pay the 20 grand to get this done?
Yeah, and I imagine after 20 leaks, my home insurance company probably won't want to talk to me anymore.
Well, I don't know. You used to work in insurance before. You tell me.
I would imagine they would never want to talk to me anymore. Yeah.
So I guess it really depends on, are you going to be lucky? Is every single time it going to leak in your mechanical room, or is it going to leak on your second story and flood your whole kitchen?
Yeah, my collector's items room, right, with all the cards.
That's the thing. Is it getting all your baseball cards and hockey cards or family photos? Like, what are you willing to risk? I don't know. If I was a gambling person, yeah, I'd probably wait 1 or 2 leaks and then be like, okay, let's get this done.
Yeah, we have a conclusion.
Exactly. But you know what's going to happen, so why wait? Like, you might as well just bite the bullet. It's only going to get more and more expensive to replace your entire system. So why wait and get nickel and dime with $500 to $1,000 repairs?
Yeah, no, that's great insight. Thank you.
No problem.